Do you feel like you're never quite sure where your pants should hit and what to do with your boots/shoes? Should skin show? Should skin not show? This video is for you. Okay, I always say there's no rules, there's no right or wrong, but I'm just gonna give you a few tips to help guide you and hopefully prevent you from second guessing yourself. Since we're moving into boot territory, let's start with boots. In general, I like when there is little or no space between the boot and the hem of the pant or skirt or dress. Since a lot of us are going with more straight leg jeans, I actually like a boot that's tighter on the leg, so then the boot can be underneath the pant and then there's not that swath of skin, which can sometimes make the look feel a little bit disjointed. Now these pants are slightly shorter, but I still think that this looks great because there's not much space between the top of the boot and the hem of the pant. If a little skin is showing when you walk or when you sit, that is totally fine. Me personally, I don't necessarily love the skin showing, so I will wear a dark sock, and therefore when I sit, it's still kind of black and it blends into the shoe. Same goes with a loafer or a sneaker. I actually like when the pant is a little bit long, so it kind of like goes over the top of the sneaker. Again, if your pants are a little bit shorter, so a little bit of skin shows, I like the idea of adding a sock. See what I mean? So this is a more cropped pant, but she added a black sock, and I think this is really great. It makes like a nice streamlined silhouette. Having a sock in a similar color to the pant will really just almost like extend the length of the pant. And of course, the sock doesn't have to be the exact same color as the pant. I actually like this a lot where the sock is the same color as the shoe. And the same goes for skirts and dresses. I love a high boot with a longer hemline so there's no skin showing. You can really experiment and play with proportion here. Here the dress is a teeny bit shorter and the boot's higher. There's still no skin showing, but like it creates like a nice kind of texture. Like here where the hemline of the dress is longer and the boot is shorter but chunky, there's still no skin showing, and it just, I don't know, it just looks really good. So let's summarize. When you are wearing pants with boots, I think it is nice when the hem of the pant goes over the boot. Like I said before, if your pants are a little bit shorter and they're hitting right at the top of the boot, that is also okay. A way to kind of make this feel more streamlined is to add a dark sock. With sneakers or loafers, a pant that hits at the top of the foot is also really nice, but if you have something a little bit shorter and you still want that silhouette, add a sock. And lastly, I love a midi or maxi dress with a higher boot so there is no skin showing and it creates a nice, elegant silhouette.